Hello, Miss Swing One here. We got our power steering pump rebuilt back on the car. I want to show you guys what we got. Show you that it works. Okay, so that is our power steering. That is our rebuilt power steering pump installed with the belt tensioned up. We're gonna get some power steering fluid in, fire this up, see what happens. Okay, we're just using a straight Prestone power steering fluid. It does not have the stop leak additive. And you can see we have our initial fill up. We're going to fire this up. That's going to draw through, and then we're going to have to top off. So we're literally going to start the car up for a second or two and then shut it off and top it off. Okay, so we're going to start it up now and pump that first fill of power steering fluid through the power steering system and then top it off. We do have power assist. Gotta shut it off now, top it off, do it again. As we can see, that initial fill of power steering fluid has been drawn through the system, so we're going to insert our funnel, top off with our Prestone power steering fluid. Then we're going to fire it up. We will cycle it lock to lock to bleed all the air out. All right, here we are back in the car. We're cycling it lock to lock. This is how we bleed the system out. I don't hear any noise. It's sounding good. Here, fire this up. Let me see if I can show. I got pinky steer to the left, pinky steer to the right. Response at the front tire. No noise. Don't hear no screaming and whining when I turn the wheel. I'm reaching in the window now with my left hand. So that's it. She works, done deal. There's still some mess under the car, but it's not leaking. I still got to get under there and wipe the K-frame up. But yeah, that's the power steering pump rebuild, federal style Mopar.